Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news.
The criticism in recent times leveled against your party and yourself in particular. You have Operation Dudula and supporters or people who are sympathetic to that cause are very aggrieved that you are siding with the foreign nationals, and they are going as far as saying you are protecting the alleged drug lords. What's your response?
Those are small kids. I have no time for small kids. Those are small kids with small brains, the size of a peanut. I fight real battles on the continent. I have no time for amateurs who are trying their luck using my name. I've got nothing to do. Everybody knows where I stand. I don't care what they say about me. They can make all sorts of allegations. They are arrivalist. I fought here the biggest establishment against me, and I'm not going to be threatened by small kids. That's why I have no time for them. They are new into what they are doing. If you listen to how they speak, if you listen to the posture they take, they all imitate me. So why should I be worried by imitators? I have no time for kids. There's no principle to engage with there. I'm dealing here with principle.